Welcome to our API automation series. In our last video, we sent data to the database using POST request. But how does a website actually display your profile or your posts? That's where the GET request comes in. In the CRUD life cycle, GET is the read operation. We are going to ask the API to retrieve a specific record so we can verify its integrity. So let's create a GET request now. And rename it to something relevant. Enter a URL. Now, this is the same URL with exception of this exception of one at the end. The one at the end is a path parameter. We are telling the database exactly which row we want to see. Now click Send button. This time we got 200 OK message. Unlike the 201 created we saw earlier, a 200 simply means the request was successful and the data was found. If you typed an ID that didn't exist, you would see a 404 here instead. Now go to Scripts tab, Post Response, and enter a code. To test the data, we first have to parse it. We use pm.response.json to turn the raw text from API into a JavaScript object that Postman can read. I will log this to the console so you can see the key value pairs the database sent back. Now enter the following assertions at the bottom of the existing code that we just entered. Now for the actual automation, we aren't just checking if the page loaded. We are checking data integrity. We use pm.expect right here to ensure the ID is exactly 1 and the title isn't empty. This proves the link between our API and the database is healthy. Now press the send button now again. And you see the test result, verify title is correct right here. We got the past test, and you can also read the log in the console. Now we have successfully retrieved and verified data from the backend. But here is the ultimate challenge. Can we create a post and then immediately verify it in one single flow? That's called persistence testing. Persistence testing. And we are doing that in video 4. See you there.